In today's video, I'm going to teach you grow your business with subscriptions on Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find, review, install, and open Shopify's own subscriptions app so you can start offering recurring purchases with confidence. Begin by opening your Shopify admin and making sure you're on the home dashboard. This just helps you orient yourself before moving into the app area. From there, head over to Apps. In the Apps page, use the search field to bring up options related to subscriptions. As you type, look for the result that clearly indicates subscriptions and select it to continue. You'll see an option for Shopify subscriptions. Click it to open the app's listing in the Shopify App Store. Once the listing loads, take a moment to explore what's on the page. Click into the highlighted areas to get familiar with what the app offers. This is a good time to confirm that it's the official Shopify subscriptions app, so you benefit from native checkout integration and streamlined management. Open the Featured Images gallery to preview how subscription plans appear on product pages and how management looks inside the admin. Browse through the screenshots so you understand where settings live and how customers will see options like delivery frequency and discounts. Scroll further and click into the section that explains how subscriptions help increase customer lifetime value and create predictable revenue. This gives you useful context for why subscriptions can stabilize cash flow and improve retention. If you're migrating from another provider, click into the section about easily transferring existing subscription contracts to Shopify subscriptions. That overview will help you plan a smooth transition without interrupting your customers' billing cycles. Next, visit the review section. Skimming recent feedback is a quick way to learn about real merchant experiences, common wins, and any caveats to keep in mind. Reviews can also highlight tips on setup and day-to-day operations. When you're ready, click Install. Follow the prompts to authorize the app within your store. After installation completes, you'll land on the app's welcome screen. Click Get Started with Shopify Subscriptions. If you see a sequence of onboarding prompts, continue selecting Get Started as they appear, so you advance through the initial guidance and into the main setup area. That's it. You've successfully found the app, evaluated the key details, installed it, and opened the onboarding flow. You're now in the right place to build subscription offerings that encourage repeat purchases and bring more predictable revenue to your business. Thanks for following along, and great job taking this first step toward